Right. First thing you're going to want to do is click on that link that I have pinned at the very top of all the comments. That link is going to take you straight to the Texas Scheduler Scheduling Appointment website. Now, DPS does not take any walk-ins. Now, of course, if you have a cousin whose best friend's uncle, nephews, nieces, ex-wife works for the DPS and you can get the hookup, then go ahead. But if not, then definitely make sure you make your appointment online. So we're going to go step by step. First thing I'm going to do is select English or Spanish. Once you get in here, you're going to input the information for the student. So it's not parents' information. This is a student's information. You don't have to put in your Texas card number unless you have an ID card. You can go ahead. If not, then you can go ahead and just start by putting in your first name. Jane Doe, and then your date of birth. And the last four of your social. Now, all this information is simply just for you to be able to log into the website. Once you've logged into the website, you're going to select New Appointment. After selecting New Appointment, you're going to select Apply for First Time Texas Permit, okay? Apply for First Time Texas Permit. Now, let's say you get to this step and this is highlighted in gray, which means it will not allow you to select it. What you want to do is go to Other Services, scroll all the way down, and it says Service Not Listed or My License is Not Eligible. You will want to go ahead and click that. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click it so you'll know what it looks like. Do you need a road test due to the following reasons? A doctor required, court order required, DPS required? Right now, we're going to mark no because, again, you're not doing the road test right now. You're just scheduling your appointment to get your learner's permit. And once you get in, this is what it's going to look like, okay? So no matter what, it's going to bring you to this screen. Now let's go back. English, again, name, Jane Doe, date of birth, and last four of your social. New appointment, apply for first time Texas permit, input your information, your cell phone number. Many people use their cell phone more than a house phone. You're going to put in your email address. You're going to confirm the email address by typing in again. And you're going to put preferred text messages. So you're going to receive text messages once you confirm your appointment. Now, next it's going to say service type, apply for a first time Texas permit. You're going to keep it as any day of the week because you want it to show all the appointments that are open and available. Now, there's two different ways that you can select your appointment. You can do it by zip code or you can do it by city. Zip code, type in your zip code or type in your city. Hit next. Once you've done that, it's going to bring up first the DPS office that is the closest to you. If you go all the way to the other side, it lets you know the next available appointment date. Right now, it is January 6, 2023 when I'm making this video. And for my area, it's telling me the next appointment that's available for me to receive my permit is March 13th. Well, that is not going to be acceptable for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to search for just my area. You can go anywhere in the state of Texas. So if you have a grandmother that lives in Killeen, try that area, visit grandma, go eat some of her cookies. You know grandma makes that good pot roast. Make sure you plan a trip to go see grandmother, but also make sure you swing by and get that DPS appointment taken care of. Now, if I scroll down, New Braunfels has February, Seguin, February, San Antonio Southeast, March, and so on, okay? Well, let's say I do not want to wait that long. I always tell students, Take out the Texas map, look around, find smaller cities that have DPS offices and select them because they tend to be sooner. But if you have exhausted everything you possibly can do, the one place that always has appointments within the same week is Houston, Texas. That's right, Houston, Texas. So we're going to go ahead and type in Houston. We're going to click next. Voila. Today is January 6th. The next appointment in Houston is January 10th. So let's say I want to select this. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And now that I've selected the location I'm going to, Houston, East Tidwell. This is in Houston, Texas, confirming that. Now I'm going to select the day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's say I want to do Tuesday. I'm going to select the day. And now it brings up the times. I'm going to select the time and hit next. Now, it will give you a 5-minute timer for you to confirm. If you do not confirm, that appointment gets released to the next person, okay? So basically, it's going to go over all your information, making sure everything is good, and then it's going to tell you everything that you need to take for your appointment. Please be sure to check out our video that lets you know what to take for your DPS appointment in order to receive your permit. After that, you're going to hit confirm. It's going to send you an email as well as a text confirmation. And that is how you make your appointment for your permit at the DPS office using the Texas website.